Well, guys, good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I am known as Ryan PDT in the BBT chat room. And today I traded AAL, one and done trade. I was done in just 4 minutes, actually 6 minutes if you add this last shares that I have. But yeah, it's been a really great trade. I'm gonna show you how I trade the open. Today will be all about the volume, time and sales level 2, and the one ATR that I always use. But before that, I'll tell you how I pick stocks, maybe or maybe not. Stocks that I choose is above 200 million, at least one ATR, and maybe at least 200,000 volume. So AAL was one of them, and I'm gonna show you how I traded it. So my chart or my, I don't know, how do you call this? My desktop looks like this. So my level 2 is here. This is of course my chart, and I add this just volume chart. So there's nothing in here, just the volume itself. So it tells me how much volume it has at the open. Just right at this is 5 minute range. With the volume, and I have one ATR in 1 minute, so it tells me how much a candle moved. So let's say if this candle moved 20 cents, I'm probably gonna risk 20 cents on my next trade. So normally at the open, at the first minute, that's probably the biggest candle of all of them, among all of them for the entire day. So this is really useful for me not to get squeezed. So this will tell me how much candle it moves, and then that's gonna be my risk on the first minute. So this one also helps. It tells me how much volume it has. If there's no volume, don't trade it. Only trade volume that has at least 500,000 or 1 million if it's good. So if you look at AAL, and level 2 is also number one that you need to watch. So let's look at the open. Let's watch, and let's closely watch it. So right at the open, it opened 400,000. That's like a really good sign. Comparing to CCL, there's only like 600 volume, and this is 400,000. BAC has 68,000. So right just at the open has 400. That's like great. That's a good sign. It opened. Now it's green. VWAP is above. So let's wait for it to go red. VWAP is around 62 area. So let's have it at 60. It's easier. So 60 and 50, that's my number that I'm watching. So when I'm watching the candle, when I'm watching the chart, I don't really watch the candle. I watch the price action. I ignored this. In my mind, I have 60 and I have 50. So 60 and 50. So I'm closely watching this level 2. I'm closely watching time and sales. I ignore the chart at all. So and this has volume. In my peripheral vision, I can tell if it's going down or it's going up, same as the other stocks. So it's printing red. I see this order. That's a good sign. But the thing is, we're still early. We're only on the 25th second of the market, so it's kind of like dangerous to get in. Normally I'd have to wait a minute at least, but since I saw this, is probably a good risk. This candle opened at least 23 cents, 24 cents. So, you know what? I'm going to risk 30 cents since I have 24 cents here, right? So I risk 30 cents. So from here to here, I think it's 30 cents or 40 cents. I don't really know. So right, just like that, it opened. So we opened at, so I traded around 1925, so I'm 4 seconds away, like that. So let's go here. 1 sec, give me 1 sec. Yeah, so this is way easier to to read. So we see 3 digits on 30 area and 25 area. So in my mind, I need to get out probably somewhere at 17. If I want like a good partial or a good portion of my profit. So here, when this breaks at 30, I just took a little bit just to ease myself, because if I don't take profit here, it'll be hard for me to accept if it squeeze up, right? So at least if I take a small share here, like 10%, I can just put it back to break even, right? So let's see. Let's fast forward this. There you go. It's selling. You see more red prints. There you go. I took a little bit, just a little bit, 10%, just to ease myself. And I was telling myself, focus on 17 area, $17. There you go. That's the one I was waiting for. 4 digits. This is a really, really good sign that's gonna go there. Okay. So now I'm in a driver's seat. I have enough good profit. I took another 10%. So this is really great. So this tells me this candle moved 16 cents, right? So I I kind of know how much this will squeeze just in case. And there you go. I'm closely watching 17 area. Come on, come on. Ha. So I took a little bit early, around 17:01 or something. Yeah, so sorry about that. So yeah, just out of it's good I took some off there. So yeah, took half there. So I was actually closely watching 90 area, around this area, but it looks like there's not a lot of orders anymore. So when I was watching it, I see a lot of green prints like this. But it's like a sign that it's probably gonna go back to VWAP. That's why I took half it again. So to two half, I only have like small shares left. So 10, 10, 10, 10, half, half. When I see that it's being bought, it's being bought. So just like signs that I'm looking if it's really gonna continue. Like as you can see, when it's hovering around this area, it's being bought. Like you see that green, green, green. Even those they're just 100 shares, that's gonna help a lot. So yeah, because if this ones they if they want this stock to get to go down more, then you will see more red prints. The thing is, yeah, I see that it's being bought around this area, so I'm glad I took 50-50 here at this area and then just send an order around this area, 1719. So I think that's where I got stopped. All out, good profit. I was done in just what, 4 minutes, right? Because these are my last share. Even though probably it's gonna go back and break the low of day again. Uh, I felt like I don't want to enter because I did reach my daily goal, my profit target, and I've been just focusing on trading the open because I have a day job. I need to get ready after this, and I have to make videos for you guys as well. So yeah, that's about it. If you like it, please subscribe to Bearable channels. They're like the best community in the entire trading community. So thanks to Andrew and all the moderators that are really, really helpful. If you have any questions, just comment down below and we will for sure help you out and answer any questions that you have. So yeah, have this one ATR. It's really, really helpful. Add the other one as well. Which one is that? This one. This is really, really helpful too. Just I call it just volume chart. So that's really, really helpful. It tells you how much volume you have at the open, and one ATR, it tells you how much a candle moves, so you know what's your risk. You will know what's your risk when you enter a trade. Like this one, it opened like 30 cents, right? So you risk 30 cents, 1 to 1 here already, 2 to 1, right? So yeah, it's up to you. You can risk at VWAP like 10 cents. It's up to you. So how you manage your trade. So I think that's it. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll help you out. We'll probably comment. Okay. Have a good day, everyone. Peace.